Hey there, we are going to do an SEO SEMRush review. SEMRush is a software tool that will help you find out what your competitors are doing. It will also help you analyze your own site. I know in your training you keep hearing, find out what your competitors are doing, what kind of keywords are they using, where are they getting their traffic. This software tool does that for you. It will run the analytics and find this information for you. So I'm going to give you a little bit of a review today. There is a link below where you can actually go get a 14-day free trial and check it out for yourself. Before you know if you need it or not. All right, so let's go ahead and look at, I'm going to give you 5 features of this program, and number 1, it allows you to analyze your website. Before starting your competition analysis, it's always important to see how your own site is performing on various parameters before you start seeing what your competitors are doing. So you want to make sure your site is up and running properly as well. And 3 of the most important things you should know about your site are what are the top organic keywords that you're using, what's organic search positions against everybody else, and then the total number of backlinks. I'm going to give you a better view of this here so that you can see it. But what you would do is just type in your domain name right here in the search bar, and then select Domain Analytics from the drop-down menu, and then hit Search. The report's going to give you an overview of how your site is performing on parameters such as traffic from organic search and paid search, backlinks, organic keywords, paid keywords, and a whole lot more. So you can see here, all the different things that pop up. Now right here, you can dig in a little bit deeper. I want you to go ahead and notice here where you can click on the organic search, and this is going to give you data on your site's organic keywords, your total traffic and organic position changes. So you can see that you can dig in even more. You can look at paid advertising, organic traffic, different traffic and analytics. So it helps you to dig in deeper, and it's all going to be related to your web domain name. You can go ahead over here and click on backlinks, and it will give you more information about your site, all the backlinks that it's currently using, the number of referring domains, the types of backlinks, the text, the image, the form, and a percentage split of follow versus no follow links. So you can get all that information and find out which ones are, working, which ones are not. One of the cool things is you can export all of this data into an Excel sheet and then just really analyze it. And you can also watch how the data changes over time after you make some tweaks. Now this is where it really starts getting helpful. You can identify your organic competitors. It's one of the chief elements involved in dominating search results. The aim here is to understand what your competitors are doing, and then you do it even better. To identify your organic competitor, simply type your domain name in the SEMRush search bar and then navigate to domain analytics / competitors, okay? And then this is the screen that will come up. After that, you want to hover over these bubbles. I'm going to give you a better view of that. You're going to hover over each bubble, and then that's going to give you even more detailed information of your competitors. As you can see, you have keywords, their traffic, everything related to your competitor. And when you scroll down, you'll find the organic competitors table, so you'll even get more detailed information. And you want to pay close attention to the competition level, common keywords, and search engine keywords. These are all the things that are going to help you beat your competitors. See, now you know who you're trying to beat. Who is it that you're trying to outrank? And this is, once you discover who those competitors are, then you can start watching them and making tweaks to your own website so you can outrank them. Let's go to feature number 3. You can do a site audit and fix errors, which is kind of cool. So to do a site audit, you want to click on Add New Project, enter the details, and then select Set Up Site Audit. After you do that, this screen here will come up, and it's going to tell you areas that are doing well and areas that might need to be fixed. And as you can see right here in red, there's 25 errors, and you can go in and actually find out what those errors are and how you can fix them. Even look down here, you have 58 pages that don't have their meta descriptions, so they will lead you to those pages so that you can fix that. Once you start getting a huge website, sometimes it's hard to keep on track of all that. So this software tool is going to go in and help you find them so that you can make it better and fix those errors. Now, once you've ran the audit a few times, you can even ask it just to run the audit on certain pages, because once you've ran it, a couple times on your whole site, you're going to find that maybe just your newer pages need an audit and not the older ones. All right, number 4. You can SEMRush also has an on-page SEO, search engine optimization checker. Now, what does this mean? With an on-page checker, SEO checker, you can promptly check to see if your content complies with all of the on-page and off-page SEO elements, like your content's relevancy and quality, backlinks, trustworthiness, and reputation, page title, H1 and H2 tags, and meta description. So it's going to make sure that you're in compliance with all of these things. So every page on your website gets analyzed, and then you're going to be given instant actionable SEO tips to optimize these pages, so that you can see. Next, you can go ahead and click on ideas, and then you're going to be given a list of ideas for that site. So here we have content, and there's a whole bunch of ideas to help you optimize your website. The 5th feature, PPC analysis. With SEMRush, you can keep a tab on the keywords that your competitors are targeting, their ranking in SERPs, and even have a sneak peek at their ad copies. How cool is that? Now, I've got a small page here. Let's go on. You can go ahead and pull this up, and you can see all of the ads that they're running and how many keywords that they have, which ones are being seen. So this is really useful information. It's going to help you compete with your competitors. Now, while you don't want to completely copy your competitors' ads, you can look at them, the layout, the wording, and some of the keywords, and use them in your own ad copies. And like I said, you don't want to copy them and get the same results. You want to outdo them and do even better. So this tool is really vital if you've been struggling with search engine optimization, trying to find keywords, and figuring out who your competitors are. This software tool does it all. So go ahead and click the link below. Give me thumbs up, hit that like button as well, and let me know what you think. Go to check out that 14-day trial and let me know what you think about it. I'd be happy to have some feedback on that. All right, until I see you on the next video, you have a good one.